Good people, back again with another video. You know what's funny? I normally record like a bunch of videos in one go, so I've said this same intro like 10 times now, and I'm bored of saying it to myself. And I'm pretty sure if you are a regular watcher, viewer, all that good stuff, you're going to be bored of it too. But please, people, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. We need to get these numbers up. We need to get it, up there, man. This channel needs. It's very underrated, but it needs an extra push. And I need your assistance to give it that extra push. But yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. I got another Adidas confirmed app win, which is funny because I am not a reseller. I literally enter for bants, just to laugh, just for fun. And so far I've won 4 pairs total out of about 7 or 8. So that's a good ratio of like 50% if we said 8. And then a bit more than 50% if we said 7. But yeah, that's for the slides. For other Yeezys, like what they call those funny looking ones, I've never had a pair. But I've entered a few, but I've never got a pair because I really want to review those. I really want to see what they're like in hand, and I just want to kind of roast them a bit. But we move. And so this pair, it was actually quite funny. I just entered on a random and won them. Slide, Yeezy slide. So it says slide on the top of the box. On the side, it's plain brown, like cardboard brown. On the bottom, I should spin it around, it's mostly plain. That's a mark from actually sticker. The sticker was on here. And then it's got this, which is Adidas logo. Very normal. Then plain. And the most important side, where it says Yeezy slide, made by Adidas. And then it says Yeezy slide. Sizing, which is quite odd. Like, it doesn't make sense why US and UK 7 are the same, but that's the way they chose to do it, so that's the way they're gonna do it. US 7, UK 7, F, I believe that's France. 40.5, D 7. I need to really check what these mean. I'm just gonna guess and say, okay, that's USA, obviously, that's United Kingdom. France, D for Deutschland, or not Denmark, but Denmark will come up straight in your head. Germany, I'd say, I don't know. J for Japan and CHN for China. And yeah, so Yeezy slide made by Adidas with a little Adidas logo. The style code on this is HQ6447. And if you look look at the way they've written the color. Glungrun. So this is the Glungrun pair. Glungrun. If you like the Glungrun, then that's it. But I've seen these and originals made in China, all that good stuff. Let's get into the Glungrun review. So this box, I always have issues with this box because like the way it slides out and stuff, it's always a bit too small for the Yeezy to fit or whatever. What's funny is the camera's not picking up the Glungrun properly, which is quite annoying because they're like much more yellowy in person. But this is kind of, the best. Let me see. Nope. They're quite bright, to be honest. So this is the Yeezy slide Glungrun. The bottom ridged, or ribbed, or whatever you want to call it, ridged, like McCoy's crisps, if you're a crisp fan. And then you can see that the sliders have this line all around. It wraps around. Don't know what that means, don't know what it is, but it's there. Then it's got this kind of, thing here also, which wraps around. professionally done, I must add. So if yours don't have this line and this, then unfortunately they're not authentic. Which is funny because I don't even know how they legit check these. It's actually a joke. The little Adidas stamp there. Little sizing tag, so the same information. Made in China, US 7, UK 7, FR 40.5, JP 255, CHN 250. And I'm not gonna lie, it's making me dizzy trying to read that because it's so friggin' tiny. And then it says there Yeezy, and it says made in China, and then 7 US, but they're actually 7 US, UK, and Denmark and France, Switzerland and France. So you know, it should say 7, just 7. I don't know why it says US. That's a bit rude. But we move. But this pair, they're like, wow, they're just so bright. It's actually crazy. Like, I've never seen anyone wear these in person. I hope I don't. I literally I literally entered the raffle for bands because I always like to, you know, try get as much videos done as possible. You know, trying to make the channel go up. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Thank you, people. You have to drop a little free promo in the middle of the videos now. That's the new tactic. But yeah, tell me if you like these, man. Comment below if you like these, because me, I don't want to wear these. I wouldn't wear these. They're not my size on purpose. I heard they're comfortable, but come on, man. I'll have to go looks over comfort this time. Like, I don't like the looks, so I don't care for the comfort type of thing. Looks over comfort? Comfort over looks. Yeah, everyone's taking comfort over looks. For me, it's looks over comfort for these. I'd rather wear different sliders. Not gonna lie. But yeah, tell me how you feel about these. Tell me if you like them. Tell me if you hate them. Tell me if you got them. Tell me if you'd wear them. I don't know why you would, but we move. So it's always good to, you know, review something a bit different. Definitely don't want these. Definitely letting them go away for retail. Don't really care for them. Don't see the hype. Not interested. Just give me my Air Max 95s and we're good. But yeah, that's all from me for today. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Comment. Tell me if you like them. Tell me if you hate them. Tell me if you rate them. Tell me whatever you feel about them. It's always good to see some opinions. And most importantly, take care, people.